me, Alisa Mahzan. So this is the everyday makeup routine that is highly requested by many of you. If you want to recreate this look, please keep on watching. This is the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for still sticking up by me. Sorry for ghosting up for so long. I've been really busy with studying and stuff, but I promise I'll be more consistent in posting more videos. But don't forget to share this video and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. Apa dia zoom in kat mata? Ada ponek dah ni, ada ponek dah ni. Nak kecek gapo ni? Oh,